What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting a picture as always, but I'm also going to be explaining why I use markers in my paintings, as well as how to use the markers in your paintings. So let's get straight into this and let's get painting. I'm starting off with a sketch and laying down my acrylic paint, but after this, I'm going to be using 3 different types of markers, the first of which being, of course, the Sharpie marker, the second Posca markers, and the third is a new brand that I found on Amazon called Aroic markers. You can check them out in our link in the description box below. My last video was a review of these markers. The link for that will be in the top right corner. So I like to use markers on my paintings for a variety of reasons. The first of which would be detail. I find that with markers you can get into such intricate places and get so much more finer detail than you could with a paintbrush. For example, here I am painting these letters with a brush. Now they're okay and they'll do, but I can get a lot more definition with a Sharpie marker than I can with a brush. So I'll just touch these letters up after with a marker. A really important step when layering paint like this is to always let your paint dry. I am not so patient, so you're going to see in the right hand corner that I've smudged a ton of white paint all over my sweater as well as all over the black canvas. But that's okay. I've still managed to paint the donut as well as outline it in, you guessed it, a black Sharpie marker. Now I'm going to be moving on to the Posca markers for some bright, vibrant sprinkles. These Posca sprinkles look so good that I'm about to lick the canvas. Let me tell you, I'm going to add some more detail by outlining these with a black brush marker because I feel like these sprinkles just need that much more definition. I'm trying to draw a Rice Krispie donut here, so I'm using the Aroic cream colored marker to draw individual Rice Krispies as well as a marshmallow topping. And finally, to finish off this painting, the very final reason that I love markers is because I can add this awesome shading. It's just dots, but I add it to wherever there's a crack or a crevice, or maybe there's a definitive line, or maybe there's a bump, and I find that it adds so much beauty and detail to the painting itself. So guys, I think that this donut monster came out pretty sick. We got a donut monster eating a donut, kind of cliche. I'm going to be gifting this to a local business. I was really happy to be able to share my painting marker tips and tricks with you. If you found them helpful or maybe something today you enjoyed, please subscribe, like our videos. We'll see you in the next video. I totally messed up the ending.